Why do you care about what they say? Di ko naiintindihan, di ko nagigets kung bakit laging parang may bigat yung iisipin ng ibang tao, yung sasabihin ng ibang tao. This is your life! This is your life! Pinanganak ka sa mundong ito to live your life. That's your life. Or maybe it's my existential side or existential persona because I'm an existentialist, diba? But, you know, it's your life. That simple phrase dapat should negate people's opinion, diba? You do what you wanna do. You live your life how you want it to live. Diba? Hindi mo alam kung gaano katagal tayo mananatili sa mundong ito. Napakabilis ng buhay. Sobrang bilis ng buhay. In fact, sa sobrang bilis ng buhay, my father died, in just like that. Sa pitik. Ganun kaikli ang buhay. You don't know kung gaano katagal, kung hanggang saan tayo tatagal. And ang pinakang regrets mo sa buhay when you're in your deathbed, di ba? Kapag sinusundo ka na ni San Pedro, ang pinaka-regrets mo is you didn't do what you want to do. Kasi nakinig ka doon sa mga tao, sa opinion nila, na wala namang bigay dapat yan. They're not supposed to matter. Their opinion. Anyway, either way, lagi silang may masasabi. May gawin ka, may masasabi sila. Wala kang gawin, may masasabi sila. They will always have something to say. Kasi yun lang yung meron sila, ingay. Well, you can't control that. What you can control is who you will listen to. Yan. That's what you can control. Your ears. You can't control their mouths. Control your ears. Diba? Do not listen to them. Do what you want to do. Live your life the way you want it to live. Because we don't know kung gaano kaikli ang buhay natin. Some are even shorter, some are longer, but the gist is we don't know how short or how long our life will be. Kailan ka sasaya? Kailan mo pipiliin yung magpapasaya sa'yo? Whose approval do you need? No one.